Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set a 1-inch tab stop in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and we try to insert a tab. Which space in this tab? Press tab on our keyboard and we can see here the tab is 0.5. Now we want to change the tab 1 inch. Go to the paragraph settings option and go to the tabs menu, then change the default tab stops 0.5 to 1 inch. You can write or increase the tab button, then click OK. Then you apply the tab, press tab on our keyboard and we can see here the tab stop is 1 inch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.